Mbukeli sikubingelele sikwamukele indabeni zehora lokuqala emini lezi ndaba nizethulelwa usakhiwo ngwakwasokhela ake sibheke nazi ezinohlonze emini nje.
I think that the sentence of 495 years is heavy. It's just that they run concurrently such that one will serve few.
Ithimba lama-Hawks selemukele isigwebo seminyaka eyi-15 esinikezwe lo wabe ngusihlalo webhange i-VBS uChifi Wamadodzi ngemva kokuthi elahlwe amacala ngama-33 amayelana nokwebuya kwemali engaphezu ka-2 billion amarandi.
Just want to come and assure you, I know that the next couple of weeks are going to be difficult to the teachers. I know how difficult it is that it's going to be for you.
Seliqalile uhlelo lokwenziwa kolibofuze emndenini abafundi abayi-10 kanye nomshayeli wetekisi oyedwa abashone engozini yemoto ethutha abafundi eyenzeke eMirafong eNtshonalanga Randi.
We're playing first game against Ireland and then second game against New Zealand, so that will be our day one. Both those teams are very physical. We know they will come for us at breakdown. They will target us in the physical battles.
Iqembu lesizwe lebhola lombhoxo iBlitzboks lithi lifuna ukwenza kangcono emidlalweni yama-Olympics ezobanjelwa eFrance kuyo lenyanga. Leli qembu lama-Sevens labuya nendondo yethusi kuma-Olympics ayebanjelwe eRio ngo-2016. Seliqalile uhlelo lokwenziwa kolibofuzo emndenini abashone engozini yemoto ethutha abafundi. Le ngozi eyenzeke eMirafong esifundazweni iGauteng idlule nomphefumulo wabafundi abayi-10. Lo mshayeli wemoto ke ebithutha abafundi ushonile emva kokuthi le moto abethutha ngayo abafundi ishayisane neveni.
Kwenziwa ulibofuzo namhlanje kulandela isigameko sokudlula emhlabeni kwabafundi abayi-10 kanye nomshayeli ngenxa yengozi yemonto eyenzeke eMirafong esifundazweni iGauteng.
We are trying to be strong for our daughter, the one that survived the accident, and also we need to be strong for ourselves also, especially for my wife, the mother of my children. I don't have any words to express how I feel at the right moment. On a serious note, I don't have any way to express how I feel.
Ungqongqoshe wemfundo eyisisekelo uSiviwo Gwagube uvakashele isikole samabanga aphansi Rocklands ngenhloso yokudluliswa amazwi nini kubangani nakubafundi bakuso lesi sikole.
When we lose 11 of those people, it hurts a lot. And so I just want to come and assure you, I know that the next couple of weeks are going to be difficult to the teachers. I know how difficult it is that it's going to be for you. But I want to assure you that a lot of people are standing with you, including my team and myself.
Umnyango wezokuthutha esifundazweni iGauteng uthusa phenya mayelana nembangela yengozi eholele ekudluleni emhlabeni kwabafundi abayi-10 kanye nomshayeli eMirafong. Silindo kuhle ngithi eindabeni ze-SABC.
Ithimba elilungisa ugesi lisebenza kanzima eWynberg eKapa lapho imimoya emikhulu icekele phansi inqalazinda yogesi. Umonakalo omkhulu kanye nezikhukhula kubikwe kuso sonke isifundazwe.
Izigxobo zogesi ziwile kwasala ugesi ungekho kwezinye izindawo. Amakhaya ke amane asale engenalo uphahla. Izikhulu zithi kubikwe izinto eziyi-14 ezicekeleke phansi.
Lots of people call it a tornado. That's a kind of colloquial talk, but it's just extremely strong gale force winds. I mean, it's still very, very strong winds and very damaging and dangerous, but it's not in the sense of a formal weather definition of a tornado.
Kusenjalo, izakhamuzi ezingamakhulu amahlanu kuWard 99 eKhayelisha zizohlaliswa kwenye indawo okwesikhashana emva kokuthi imjondolo yabo icekeleke phansi. Umnyango wezokuhlaliswa kwabantu uthi izinhlaka ezintathu zikahulumeni zisebenza ukubambisana ukuqinisekisa ukuthi izakhamuzi eziyinkulungwane ezingamakhulu amazom kusabhekwe ukuthi ungakanani umonakalo odalekile emjondolo.
The intervention is in twofold. Those whose houses have been blown away or the shacks that have been blown away will provide material by Saturday so that they can be able to help to rebuild. It's unfortunate that we took long to respond because we delayed in the beneficiaries. That's why the council even yesterday had to do the loud hailing to call communities to come and register in terms of those who are needing interventions.
Kuyaqhubeka ke ungenelela kumsamaria olungileyo.
This is just one of the many areas. Lawantli, Nomzamo, Umbakweni, Dromedaris. We were there yesterday on the ground as well. It's a very dire situation. Community is rather staying outside the informal settlement and being in their structures because it's completely flooded, their bedding and everything destroyed.
Izikhuzi zemfundo zithi izikole eCape Winelands kanye nasesifundeni iOverberg zisavaliwe. Ezinye izikole kwezinye izifunda zivuliwe.
Namhlanje umnyango wezenhlalakahle uhambisana nelinye lamabandla bahambele izindawo ezikhahlanyezwe ikhukhula eNelson Mandela Bay eEastern Cape. Kwashona abayishumi kwathi abacela emakhulwini amabili basala dengwane ngesikhathi kunezikhukhula ngenyanga edlule.
Anthatha lithuba ndizibulisele e-studio nakubabukeli emakhaya. Uncedo lusaqhuba ke apha eGqeberha nalapho ke kukho amaxhoba athe achaphazeleka zizikhukhula zemvula ezithe zehla kwinyanga ephelileyo nalapho abantu abangapha kwewaka abathe kwaze kwabhubha abantu abalishumi. Kodwa ke namhlanje isebe lophuhliso loluntu lindibanisela kunye neChurch of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints bazokunikeza ngeepasile zokutya. Kodwa ke ukusabela banzi masike sithethe nomphathiswa wesebe lophuhliso loluntu ephondweni umama ubukiwe Fanta. Mama masukubulise sikwamkele enkqubeni. Khawusixelele nje ngongenelelo kunye nepartnership eninayo namhlanje kunye nezipasile nizinikezelayo.
Siyabulela kakhulu msasazi bulise kuwe nakubalaleli bakho. Namhlanje imini enkulu ukuthi singu social development nabantu basempuma koloni okuba sifumane elenyweba yokuba inkonzo Jesus Christ of the Latter Saints asiqale ke ukudibana nayo namhlanje. Saformisha partnership ngoku last term nabo kusebenzisa nabo kuba inkonzo iye apho kudingeka khona.
Umphathiswa wophuhliso loluntu lempuma koloni esixelela nje banzi njengesebe zokuncedisana ke nalamaxhoba athe achaphazeleka zizikhukhula kwinyanga ephelileyo. Kodwa ke mandithathe izidambo ndiziphosele kuneGauteng.
Inhloko yophiko lwama-Hawks uLieutenant General Godfrey Lebeya uthi bayasamukela isigwebo esigixabezwe uChief wamadodzi ogwetshwe iminyaka e15 ebhadle ejele emva kokuzivumela ngokwakhe ukuthi uyabandakanyeka ekufadabaleni ke kwebhange iVBS okwatatshwa kulo imali. uLebeya uthi noma ngabe ubani okusolakala ukuthi kwemali kuleli bhange ama-Hawks azomvakashela. Sophinde sibuye kulo Ungqongqoshe zokuxhumana uSoli Malatsi usememezela ukuthi ubheke ezinye indlela zokuxhasa inhlangano yahulumeni ke eyozokusakaza iSABC. Lokhu kuza njengoba kunokukhathazeka ngesimo sezimali seSABC kanye nokudinga ukutakula ke kuhulumeni kanjalo. uMalatsi uthi ukhathazekile kakhulu ngalesi simo esinomthelela ekutheni iSABC ihluleke ukukhiqiza umsebenzi ofanelekile.
There's an intersection in terms of the regulatory environment that we're going to try and resolve as many of the difficulties and disputes that we have in-house and explore every avenue in-house before we proceed to whether be the competition commission or the tribunal or the courts, because I strongly believe that a lot of this can be resolved through mediation and negotiation, and the attitude from both entities is there to resolve it that way. So I was very encouraged with the discussion that we had with the SABC leadership earlier this week, and even from Santec there's a recognition of that. You can't have entities that belong to the same department fighting each other over a dispute in another forum.
Udaba lokuqashwa kwemali ebhange iVBS Mutual lube nenqubekela phambili ngolwesithathu emva kokuthi owabe engusihlalo webhodi uShifi wamadodzi ezivumele ngokwakhe amacala abekwe wona. Lamacala afaka phakathi inkohlakalo ukukhwabanisa kanye nokushushumbisa ngemali okwaholela ekutheni ibhange iVBS lifadabale. Inhloko yophiko lwama-Hawks uLieutenant General Godfrey Lebeya uthi bayasamukela isigwebo sikamadodzi.
I think that the sentence of 495 years is heavy. It's just that they run concurrently such that one will serve 15 years.
Lokhu kwenzeka nje isiphumele emphakathini incwadi efungelwe yokuvuma icala kaMatotsi nadalula kuyo abantu abaningi okubolwa kubo nosombusazwe kanye nezinhlangano ezabandakanyeka ekutashweni kwemali kuleli bhange.
If there is anyone, regardless of their political affiliation or ordinary business people or ordinary official in the municipalities that have had their hands in the jar, rest assured that they will be visited.
Yeah.
Ibhange iVBS lachazwa njengeseliphelelwe imali ngo-2018 kanti izinkulungwane zabantu abatshala imali kuleli bhange izimali zabo zacwila.
The law enforcement part is one issue. Then there's the issue of the society that is depressed and not knowing when to receive and whether they will actually receive whatever they've lost at this point in time.
Yeah.
Kulindeleke ukuthi sihlale zingamashumi cawo esibanjwa ngaphambi kokuqulwa kwecala umdlamini wezindaba ze-SABC.
Kusenjalo abantu abebetshale imali ebhangeni VBS basemukele isinqumo sokugwetshwa kwabengusihlalo waleli bhange uChifiwa Mototsi iminyaka eyi-15 ebhadla ejele. Akhala bayazithulisa laba besifazane abebegcina imali yabo yestokfela kuleli bhange labebekwazi ukufundisa izingane zabo balungise nemizi yabo. Ngenxa yalesigameko balahlekelwe izinkulungwane zamarandi.
This really hurt us and our children. The money that I saved was for taking my children to university. I am not happy with the sentencing that they gave Chifiwa Mototsi. Many people lost their lives because of all the money they stole from us.
Omunye wayenezabelo kuleli bhange naye ukhala ngokwamulahlekela.
We appreciate the crime investigators of what they are doing, and we are excited in a way, but not so excited because that doesn't mean that by being sentenced, it doesn't mean that we will get a cent out of that sentence.
Philip Truter nowayesikhulu sezimali kuleli bhange yena wagwetshwa iminyaka eyi-10 ebhadla ejele.
Mbukeli sathi qhuwe etolo kanti masibuya sizokuphathela uWT.
You know, when you lose such a character, you know, the person that have really shaped football in the way he did.
Ayaqhubeka nokungena amazwi enduduzo kulandela ukwedlula emhlabeni kaloyo wabe ngumqeqeshi Bafana kanye neMamelodi Sundowns uStanley Skrima Shabalala. Mbukeli sikubingelele sikwamukela mangabe usanda kungena odabeni oluhambe phambili besibike ukuthi ithimba lamaHawks selisemukela isigwebo seminyaka eyi-15 esinikezwe lo wabe ngusihlalo webhange iVBS uChifiwa Mototsi ngemva kokuthi elahlwe amacala ngama-33 amayelana nokwebiwa kwemali engaphezu kwa-2 billion amarandi. Bukela sikukhumbuza ukuthi lezi ndaba zikhona ku-YouTube na ku-SABC Plus. Ngena kuzo uzigcinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba nakanjani uzozithola. uKenny Kunene uthi-ke phakathi kwezinye zezinto iqembu lakhe lizoziqinisekisa ukuthi uhulumeni wobumbano osanda kusungulwa unozinzo. Obekhuluma nesithangami sabezindaba eGoli lapho leli qembu lethule amalunga lamasha nokubalwa-ke ayeyingxenye ye-EFF. iPA isiyiqembu lesithupha elikhulu kulelizwe kanti umholi wayo uGayton McKenzie oyingxenye yeCabinet.
iPatriotic Alliance siyiqembu lesithupha lezombusazwe elikhulu ePhalamende. Lengelinye lamaqembu okuqala ukuvuma ukuba mdibimunye namanye kahulumeni okubambisana iGNU. Njengoba iPhalamende selizovulwa leli qembu lithi lizoqinisekisa ukuthi iGNU iyasebenza futhi ifeza inhloso zayo zokubuyisa uzinzo.
The government of national unity must be stable for the benefit of South Africans. We must put the country first. We must put aside party politics. We must make sure that for these 5 years, we remain solid and we work together.
Leli qembu ligxeke ungqongqoshe omusha wezasekhaya nongaphansi kwe-DA ngokunweba isikhathi sokufakwa kwezincwadi zabokufika abafuna ukuqhubeka nokuhlala kuleli.
The mandate of Home Affairs is not extensions. The mandate of Home Affairs is to process your application and give you time frames. Once your time frames get closer, you must go back to your home, you must apply again.
Leli qembu selamukele amalungu amadala aqhamuka ku-EFF, phakathi kwawo kukhona uKenny Motsamai.
I was very happy from President to join the EFF. But what I can say, my term is over from the EFF.
Kusenjalo iPA incinxe umholi wayo Gayton Mackenzie ukuba ahlele umhlangano nobuholi bendabuko ukuze bezoxoxisana ngokugubha usuku lamasiko oluzayo maduze.
Ungqongqoshe womnyango wezasekhaya uDokotela uLeon Schreiber namhlanje uhambe lothongathe enyakatho yeTheku ngenjongo ke yokuhlinzeka amalungu omphakathi asemagwaveni alahlekelwe omazisi ngenxa yekhukhula zakamuva.
Nga-aplya i-ID after sibe nenkinga yomphakathi saba neyiphepho lezi bekade ifikile ngayi-aplya mhla 3 abaka-Home Affairs bafika ngomhla 3 saphuma ngobuningi bethu njengenkinga zethu ukuthi asinama-ID aphephuka safika lana sabhalisa ama-ID namhlanje bafikile futhi babiza ama-ID ngama-envelope njengamanje ngiphethe islip abanginika sona abasikhokhisanga benzanga lutho bafike basathena njengomphakathi obusenkingeni ekade ibhekene nawo ngoba de kunesiphepho kuningi vele okusilahlekele kodwa sibonga nabo baka-Home Affairs because bafike basiza ngobuningi bethu bayasibiza bayafika cabanga ukuthi basiqede isonto lonke befika bezosisiza ngawo ama-ID namanje ngoba befika bewalethe bazolokho balethe kancane kancane so sesiphelele kodwa owabhalisayo i-ID yakho uzoyithola.
Abazali baseGauteng babafundi baka grade 1 kanye no grade 8 banikezwe isikhathi kuze kube umhla zi-12 kuNcwaba uqinisekisa ukuthi ingane zabo zinazo izikhala zokufunda ngonyaka wezemfundo eGauteng uqinisekisile ukuthi uhlelo lokufaka izicelo online kulonyaka alinazo izihibe eziyamaniswa nezanyakenye.
Seluqalile uhlelo lokufaka izicelo zangonyaka ozayo kuka grade 1 no grade 8 owengamele zemfundo eGauteng uMatume Chilwane uhambele ezinye izikhungo zokubhalisa ukuyokwelekelela abazali abangakwazi ukuzifakela izicelo. Kunxuswa abazali ukuba bahlinzeke ngazo zonke izimfanele ezidingekayo ngesikhathi befaka izicelo. Omunye wabazali unethemba lokuthi ingane yakhe izothola isikole ngakule ndawo ahlala kuyo.
I didn't even know that the MEC will be the one who's helping us. I feel honored. I was treated like a princess. I don't know what to say, but I'm so happy.
Kusenjalo selokhu kwaqala uhlelo lokubhalisa online kuningi ukukhathazeka kubazali yize umnyango wezemfundo uthi uhlelo lwawo seluthuthukisiwe futhi luvumela bonke abafaka izicelo ukuba bafake izicelo ngesikhathi esifanayo.
We have recorded now over 72,000 applications, that is successful applications. So it tells you that the system is working very well.
Ngo eziyisishiyagalombili ezizokwelekelela abazali abafuna ukufaka izicelo. Umnyango uthi uqale uhlelo lokwakha kwezikole ukugwema ukugcwala ngokweqile kwamagumbi kulesifundazwe.
We are working around the clock to increase classroom capacity with our different interventions. And where we're sitting, we are comfortable that we won't have the same problems that we had last year.
Abazali bengalindela ukuthola izimpendulo kusukela ngomhla zi-16 kuMandulo.
Enkulumeni yakhe namhlanje yokuqala empeleni inkulumeni yakhe yokuqala njengongqongqoshe ezokuxhumana namazwe omhlaba uRonald Lamula uthi iNingizimu Afrika izoqhubeka nokulandela inqubomgomo yayo yangaphandle egxile ekuhlonipheni amalungelo abantu. uLamula uphinde wagcizelela ukuthi lakuleli kufanele lithuthukise izinga lokuhwebelana namanye amazwe.
uLamula ubekhuluma kokuqala emva kokuthi eqokwe njengongqongqoshe ezobudlala namazwe omhlaba. Bekunamahlebezi ukuthi ukufaka amaqembu afana neDA kuhulumeni obumbano kuzoholela ekuthenela kuleli kuqule indlela elisebenza ngayo namanye amazwe asentshonalanga. Kepha uLamula uyakuchitha lokho.
The statement of intent of the Government of National Unity also commit itself to a foreign policy based on human rights, constitutionalism, the national interest, solidarity, peaceful resolution of conflict, and to achieve the Africa Agenda 2063.
Ulamula uthi elakuleli lizoqhubeka nokuqinisa ukusebenzisana kwezomnotho namazwe ase-Afrika.
These mechanisms aims to facilitate cooperation amongst the relevant public and private sector stakeholders in advancing South Africa's interest in Africa.
Ulamula ke wayeyingxenye yethimba lalihambele eThe Hague ngesikhathi elakuleli liyokweseka iPalestine.
South Africa will continue to act within global institutions to protect the rights of Palestinians in Gaza and ensure the fair application of international law.
Kulindele ukuba ulamula ahambele kwelase-Engilandi ngempelasonto.
Ayaqhubeka nokungena amazwi enduduzo okulandela ukwedlula emhlabeni kalowo abengumqeqeshi weBafana Bafana kanye neMamelodi Sundowns uStanley Skrima Shabalala. Lona baziwa ngoPraston ushonele esibhedlela ngenxa yokulimala kwakhe ngenkathi edutshulwa ngoNdasa. uShabalala wazalelwa eOrlando East eSoweto ngo1949. Ungomunye wamalunga asungula iKaizer Chiefs ngo1970 kanti ke wacija iMamelodi Sundowns eminyakeni yama-80s. uShabalala waba ngumqeqeshi wokuqala ukuhola iBafana Bafana emidlalweni weFIFA emva kokwamukelwa ke kwelakuleli likanobhutshuzwayo emazweni omhlaba ngo1992. Uphinde wasebenza njengomqondisi wethimba labaqeqeshi uKaizer Chiefs ngaphambi kokuba asebenzele ezimnyama ngenkani.
You know, when you lose such a character, you know, the person that has really shaped or contributed towards football in a way he did. I mean, knowing him, you know, the personality, the character, absolutely amazing. But again, you know, we're never ready for this kind of news, for the kind of people that contributed, especially, you know, because I remember for me, I mean, he coached me in the early 90s when we started with the national, with Bafana Bafana, and was a great character.
Iqembu lesizwe lebhola lombhoxo eBlitsbox elithi lifuna ukwenza kangcono emidlalweni yama-Olympics ezobanjelwa eFrance kuyo lenyanga. Leli qembu lama-Sevens labuya nendondo yethusi kuma-Olympics ayebanjelwe eRio ngo-2016.
iBlitsbox ihlungele sekuvalwa amehlo ukuyodlala emidlalweni yama-Olympics eParis ngokunqoba umqhudelwano wama-Sevens eMonaco eFrance. Manje leli qembu lizobheka ukwenza kangcono kunasemidlalweni yaseRio ngo-2016 lapho lanqoba khona indondo yethusi. Umqeqeshi waleli qembu owayengumdlali kulo mqhudelwano unethemba lokuthi uzohola leli qembu endleleni yempumelelweni.
This team, I think there's more in them, so we're not going to just go to the Olympics and call ourselves Olympians. I think this team has something in mind and we're working towards something bigger than ourselves.
iBlitsbox iseqoqweni elinzima eliqukethe iNew Zealand, iIreland kanye neJapan.
First game against Ireland and then second game against New Zealand, so that will be our day one. Both those teams are very physical. We know they will come for us at breakdown. They will target us in the physical battle. So if we can man up there and dominate that battles and get the ball away from breakdowns, muscle up in the contact zone in defense, then we'll be in for a good chance.
INingizimu Afrika izobhekana neIreland neNew Zealand ngosuku lokuqala lomqhudelwano. Lemidlalo izoqala mhla zingama-24 kwephezulu.
Mbukeli umhlahlo wesimo sezulu uyalandela emva kwekhefu. Mbukeli sizibeka lapho ke besikuphathela zona ezohora lokuqala emini. Siyabuya futhi ntambama sobe sakiya ngalo Olga Mageba ngehora lesikhombisa. Yako sokhelela inkosazane uManzuzu umshanzi kaNrishada ngamaqhoqo. Ayosale kahle.